My name's Lori Lipscomb. I'm from Nashville, Tennessee. I had RK surgery about 35 years ago and also had a bad experience with one of my eyes being punctured too deep and having to have stitches. So I've had quite a bit of complications over the years, and with aging, it's gotten quite a bit worse. I came to Dr. Gulani a couple of months ago, in part for severe dry eye disease, which the M.O.I.S.T therapy has been a tremendous benefit after all the other procedures I've tried that weren't effective for me. I then had the LaZrPlastique on both of my eyes. I had no pain from the surgery. It was a very simple and easy process. It took about a week or so to feel really good, and then kept getting better and better. And right now I can read 20/20 without any readers, which I never thought would happen. I've enjoyed my experience here. I've enjoyed meeting other patients and hearing how much Dr. Gulani has helped them, and very much admire all the teaching that he does and the inspiration that he puts out there for other doctors.
Safe travels back. Till the time, enjoy. Amelia Island.
Yes.
I'm aging too, you know, so I'll be back here myself.
My pleasure. Absolute pleasure. Good. Have fun.
All right.
Safe travels. Bye bye.